The Generative AI in HR certification course equips HR professionals with the know-how to leverage AI, which in turn helps streamline HR functions. Work seamlessly with AI-enabled tools like ChatGPT, Microsoft Excel, ChatPDF, and FE. Join interactive workshops and accelerate your career with our 24/7 support and learning assistance. To register for Simpliaxis' Generative AI in HR certification, visit our website, select a training batch that suits your schedule, and fill out the registration form. Once payment is confirmed, you will receive a welcome email with all the details. Upon completion of the course, you will understand how generative AI is revolutionizing HR practices, such as unbiased decision-making, performance management, recruitment, and onboarding. Learn about the regulatory and legal frameworks that govern the use of AI in HR practices. We offer convenient online payment options via credit cards, debit cards, or bank transfers. Register early to enjoy our special discounts. This certification is valuable for both technical and non-technical professionals, with roles available in diverse industries like IT, healthcare, finance, and more. Take the next step in your career and advance your skills with the Generative AI in HR certification. Visit the Simpliaxis website today and enroll in our world-class training program.